Hi everyone, Stuart from Lifestyle Communities. It's a beautiful day here at Riverfield in Clyde, and there's been a lot happening since our last construction update. We have hit triple figures with our houses, with 101 homes now either under construction or complete. It's great to see the entrance now complete and looking fantastic. The clubhouse construction is well underway, and we can already see progress with the foundations of the buildings and also the 25-metre swimming pool. Our beautiful display homes are now complete, open and ready for inspection, so please come on down, meet the team and check them out for yourself.